Welcome back to Xcom.
Hello and welcome back to Multitap. This episode, Xcom. Thank you, Bird.
Chatsu. I see why you called him Chatsu now. It was his rosy cheeks.
Yes.
His little rosy
Oh man, I
cheeks
just
all.
noticed that.
Ow, and he
But,
bitch
yeah,
slapped
he's-
me with his wing.
He's got the Chatsu circles
Oh
on
man,
the
we got
side of
Sex
his
Lord.
face.
I forgot you named your character that.
Fuck is Sex Lord?
That's your nickname is Sex Lord.
Shout
Oh, it's mine?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hang on, I'm putting them
Yeah,
away.
because I'm a Sex Lord.
Well, you want to moved?
I'll be back in a second.
Actually, wait, give me a
He
second.
did a poopy.
Crapped on me.
Oh really?
Do not touch this.
And we're back.
Do not touch this area.
All right, let's go.
Why'd you clap into the mic?
Stop. Don't touch me there. This is my
Sex
private
Lord.
square.
Sex Lord, where do you want to go?
RAPE, get your penis out of me.
You're
I
not
understand
my
this
priest.
command.
What?
You're...
You gave me a command.
I'm gonna fucking hit you in a minute.
Oh yeah, she's in this too. Would you believe?
What? Don't show yourself.
Did he say he made a hand grenade?
No, he said something in French. You made your character French, remember?
We would assume that wasn't English.
What the fuck's he speaking French?
Because you chose that.
You
Oh
can
yeah,
do that.
snipe him.
You did that.
Cool.
I just remember because you were like, oh, I want to be French.
Always
or
surrender.
a Latino lover.
Oh yeah, that's right. Cause I'm Sex Lord,
Yeah.
so I have to be. No, but isn't he like Nigerian though?
Yeah.
He's like Nigerian,
a
but he
from
speaks French?
Nigeria.
Yeah. He's like a white Nigerian, but he speaks French.
Just gonna throw you up there. Oh.
What, you got
Does this mean?
spotted?
I don't know. She said the time for. Okay, good. She said the time for hiding is over. It's like, does that mean you got spotted?
Tyler has to suck the poopy dick.
Thanks. Speaking of the mic, please. You fucking African American. Well, okay then. You got your eyes on what? Why is
I
he
got
hiding
my eyes
behind
on some.
Why is he hiding behind a trash can? Is it because he's a trash boy? Fucking not again.
Yes.
Firing sniper rifle. Here we go.
He's gonna shoot the car. He shot through 2 cop cars.
He also shot the frames.
Yeah.
It's like,
Roger that.
you know how when something travels too fast, it
hell, they
like
got maps?
creates a fucking sound wave and like whatever. In this
Yeah,
game, it
God.
just like creates a frame wave.
Oh, I got neutralized.
What are you doing? What are you? Oh.
Target neutralized. Fire my Tessera.
plugged in, so you gotta turn it
Shadow
down.
demon. Shadow demon. I thought
That's
they were
probably
aliens.
down too much, but
Put it up to 20 then.
we don't want it coming up in the mics.
Yeah.
Gotta fight this chick again.
Put it down to 20.
Why the fuck is there a robot?
I don't know.
I thought we were fighting zombies.
No, we're fighting aliens.
Oh, I thought we were fighting zombies.
Those were zombies created by the aliens. It's totally different.
Yeah,
concept.
Pirate Goku.
I don't think that's Pirate Goku.
Look at that ass.
No, Pirate Goku's the techie. That's a heavy.
Oh.
Where's Pirate Goku?
He died.
What the fuck happened? What?
No, he's just recuperating at base. I couldn't bring him along. He was injured on the last mission.
Oh, that's
The
gay.
mission you rage quit, or like the mission before that?
No, the mission before that.
Because studying sucks at
Yeah.
Xcom.
Because we're all just like. Foreign and I actually love doing this series,
Oh, I know. You've made reference to that so many times.
but like you hate it, and that's hilarious. Wow, Foreign sucks.
Foreign sucks balls.
Shut
Fuck,
up.
I ain't the
Don't,
one playing. You're the one that missed.
don't throw out French excuses. Oh, this is what makes the series good. I need
So you give me shit for using licensed music. What's he doing?
That's from a game. We're playing
So?
a game with licensed music in it anyway. Besides, video game music usually doesn't have that much of a problem on YouTube unless it's Nintendo. And I give you shit for using literal fucking licensed songs made by actual musicians. Like, as funny as I think it would be.
Why? Stop
As
doing
funny
that.
as I think it would be, I don't think you'd be allowed to put in the entirety of XCOM.
Stop.
Give It To
Let
You.
me finger the back of your knee.
Stop tickling me. Stop tickling me. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it,
Tell I've got his hands. Tell I've got his hands.
No, you don't. No, you
Quick,
don't.
play the game.
Ah, my leg.
Quick, now we can be good!
Don't. Stop it.
It doesn't. It's not doing anything.
Because I am awesome.
I clicked and it didn't do anything. I don't get it.
Because the game knew that I didn't want that to happen.
No, it's stupid.
That's gay.
This game sucks, Tyler. The clicking does nothing.
Okay.
You need to know how to click. You need to know which buttons to push.
There's only 2.
There's like 56.
1, 2.
You're not counting the other buttons.
Your mouse has 2 buttons.
Well, I guess 3,
Well,
but
no.
for the sake of me not being wrong, it has 2 buttons.
No. One of them
Oh.
isn't a button. It's a scroll wheel that clicks in.
You're right. Exactly. See, there's 2 buttons.
Flawless. So what are we doing?
I'm just trying to move the game along.
Oh, Dad.
Loot recovery. What?
Because this isn't visual jokes, I went to grab a box in front of Sterling's legs and it looked like I was grabbing his dick.
Oh.
But I wouldn't do that. That's Tyler's thing. I'm not gonna invade Tyler's property.
Really? Again?
Yeah. What? Look, I'm not gonna. He's your man, dude. I'm not gonna.
Fucking infringe upon my rights. As a proud plantation owner, I'll have you know. I work at Kentucky Fried Bitches, who was made by the plantation owner, Ray William Johnson, back in 1921.
I've lost all respect for that guy.
Who?
Yeah, fuck Ray William Johnson.
Ray William Johnson. Do you see his new content? Oh my
I
God.
don't know who Ray William
He
Johnson
just does
is.
like vlogs and garbage now.
It's so fucking cringy and bad.
Gone are the days of not
Shut
cringy and bad songs like Doing Your Mom. That was my jam.
I get you.
Mom.
Oh wow, 6 down.
God, he
Doing
shot a hole
bad.
straight through the frame rate.
He's coming to with frames from the gods.
That joke isn't gonna get old for you, is it?
No. I like that your computer dies when anything happens. It's hilarious.
This computer does not handle anything. 69. Did you see that?
Well, this is
Ooh,
like a fucking...
The sex lord had 69 as something. I don't know. It was written under
This
my
is
name.
like a what, 6, 8-year-old Asus laptop?
You're
a faggot disguised as a bitch. Thank you, alien.
You're a kettle disguised as a toaster.
And then
You're a fan disguised as a blanket.
Froonley Esquire is just like, wow, pot calls the kettle black, and then he gets
Come on,
stabbed.
hit. I want it to hit. If we
Yes.
kill the thing here,
Snipe.
and it's dead. Wow, we actually killed it.
The pot calls the kettle pirate Goku.
Oh,
Killed what-
right, no.
what was
Wait,
that?
did we kill it or...
I don't know what that was.
That was the Smoker Day guy, and we killed her.
Did we kill the computer? What was that?
Oh wait, no, never mind. It was defeated in battle. It's all good.
What was that? Why did that take so long?
Tyler was taking it too long.
What?
Tyler asked the question and it made the game lag.
Fuck you, I can quit whenever I want.
Fuck you, I can quit whenever I want.
It's been so long, I forgot what that voice was.
That was pretty much that.
See? really wanted to.
Just for saying that, I'm going up to 21 a day. Packets, that is.
Ooh.
I am semi-perfect alien.
You look over and she's the gentleman meme, like smoking like 14 at once.
Mental gen. Look, the zombies again. Weird anorexic zombies.
Gentle, mental man.
But are they Nazis? Sorry, that was a yawn.
Just imagine Tyler waking up in the morning and saying, "Ah, what a crappy morning." Ah!
No, it'd just be like, you know, I just feel a little tired today.
Let's talk about yawns. It's making me yawn. They're too contagious.
Your mother sucks yawns in hell.
Somehow, something is more contagious than herpes.
Ah.
Yawns.
I was gonna say death.
I don't know, but I hate
Death is
glitter.
pretty contagious.
Get the big
I hate
fucking
glitter. It's like the herpes of arts and crafts. Because, like, once you get glitter on you, you can't get it off. Like, but it's not like you get a bunch of glitter. Like, you get, like, randomly you just walk around and you just see, like, one little piece of glitter on your arm or something. And you're like, where the fuck did this come from? But
This
you
is-
can't. You
this-
can't.
It's
you
been
can't
3
get it off.
weeks.
You cannot. Like, you fucking try and grab it as much as you can. You scratch it off. You can fucking wash your arm, and that bitch is fucking stuck
So
there.
anyway, that's why you're from Twilight.
Yeah, so, like, now I have a glitter tattoo, basically.
Yeah.
Holy
Giant
fuck.
glitter.
If that ever becomes a thing,
What? Vampires glittering?
No, glitter tattoos. Like, one, that would
Ugh.
just be fucking disgusting.
Yeah.
But, like, I know
hilarious.
someone would do that.
Oh.
I want a glitter tattoo that just says faggot. In like really fancy cursive.
That's your life goal, is it?
It's like super fancy. It's all glittery.
I've seen this
and
one. I follow this chick on this like tattoo artist on Instagram, and she does a lot of like all of her work includes UV ink. So like on a black light, it like
Yes.
glows and shit. And I saw one that she did, and she literally just wrote the word "cunt" in like really fancy like block lettering in UV ink,
Right.
and it's like bright orange. And then so all her photos are usually taken like under a black light so you can see it glow. So this person's leg just has this glowing word "cunt" written on it, and it's amazing.
See, I want one.
Sterling loves how much I keep saying cunt.
Oh my goodness!
Cunt,
Look at
cunt,
this.
cunt. You're gonna have to
Remote
fucking-
start
you have to
Nigger
censor
faggot.
all of that.
and
Now I want.
yay! Explosions.
What the fuck was that?
I use the remote. Hey, look. There's
And how the
literally-
That's a poster of me,
Yeah.
the sex lord.
Your name gets around. You're like this world's Ron Jeremy.
Yeah, dude, fucking posters of my mug everywhere.
Oh shit! That
have
back-
you?
By the way,
Has
can I-
there
can I
been a
just say-
poster of Dave Isis?
Can I just say, the game lagged less when he caused that giant building-sized explosion than when he fired a gun.
These, don't forget, these are the anti-everything guns. They make walls disappear.
And your frame rate.
Wouldn't be.
That looks like just throw a grenade, and they're all. Oh, never mind. He'll kill them for us.
Yeah, that's the best part when you actually like the.
Oh, fire, no good for frames. Oh, there you go.
Oh, what? It's literally just disappeared.
It went into a part where we hadn't been yet.
Oh, okay.
Oh, went into the puggle wall. What the fuck is happening?
All the zombies have to move.
Oh god, that's annoying. Why
Yeah.
don't they just make them all move at once or something, rather than making us have to sit here and watch?
Hey, there we go.
There.
Thank fuck.
Because if I had to sit there and watch all of them move individually, why did some of them move individually then?
Because then I guess they
This
activated
guy's
the
still
swarm
on
ability.
fire.
I
Can I-
don't.
Can I play as this one?
Yeah, can you play as the zombies?
He
No!
just ran through the
You
fire.
don't fight fire with fire, you dickhead!
And now he's standing in it. What the
He
fuck?
will. I will
He's my
punch the
favorite.
fire.
I am the demon lord.
Tyler, can we keep him?
Yes. I'll name him Tien.
I will name him William. He will be mine.
I William.
I'll name him Richard.
Why the
Dick
fuck
Richard.
not? You got something against William?
No, I just wanted to know why William.
What?
It's the first fucking name that popped in my head.
All right then. I would have gone with Reginald myself. You.
Yeah, but it's just like how the first name that pops into my
She
head
can
is
die, I
always
don't care.
Dave, Steve, or like George.
Yeah, you did go with Dave in this game.
Dave is just like
That doesn't
the funniest
really
name for me.
make him gay.
Dave is my favorite like generic name. Rolling out, just rolls along the floor. For a little.
Sterling is a gay boy. He guzzles Tyler's cum.
Yeah. Fine.
Oh, wait a minute. I hope this isn't seen by his mom.
I don't know how the fuck you managed to lyricize my autobiography, but I wish you would stop doing that.
Oh, last night when I was rapping about how you ejaculate in your own mouth.
Yes.
Who did that this morning too?
Like Joey Salads, but with semen.
It's not proper rap either. I'm just talking shit. But it was great. It's like 3 a.m.
Why the fuck can they only sometimes run further than normal?
Because I choose them not to.
Lol,
They can always
what
run
the
further
fuck?
than normal, but I just don't.
That
make
guy
it.
hit one bullet that did 4 damage, and then he hit a couple more bullets, and they just didn't do anything.
Ah.
Why is a machine gun coded like a gun, a sniper gun?
What?
It's got a hanker down, hanker hill. I'm gonna be the next one.
Oh, okay, yep, that makes sense. There's something above
I do
that
not
ladder.
get the fucking layout of this place. Why did he do that?
He's immune to fire.
No, but he just climbed up, and then he jumped down.
But if he's immune to fire, he could have just walked through the fire rather than climbing up there to avoid the fire.
and then dropping in the fire anyway.
Yeah. You know, it just seems way more effective to just ignore the ladder.
Oh no, he's coming up here. For Mr. Die.
Cool, I don't have to worry. I'm fucking not even in the building.
Ow. I did like no damage.
No, Tyler, but it stinks.
Ah!
Yeah.
A wall!
Oh, sweet camera.
It's the scariest part of any punch.
It's almost a better camera than ukulele.
I can
What
smell
the hell is that guy
fist
doing?
a mile away.
What the?
That's how Ultra Instinct Goku works. So you can dodge every punch because he just fucking smells them. Can we just,
Smell the
There we are.
aggressive intent. in
can
the
we just
punch.
have the, like, before every single fight from now on in Dragon Ball, Goku goes up to all of his opponents and just goes, okay, you won't hit me a single time this fight.
But
Alright.
he's gotta be like real fucking creepy perv about it.
Ah, yeah. You won't hit me this fight.
No, he just, like, unzips his
That's
gi.
what that was.
Yeah, I thought Sterling just
I
started...
heard that noise and it sounded like my dog snoring.
I just thought Sterling started rumbling. Like, he just started vibrating.
He's just sitting there, he's fucking had enough of XCOM, he just
Yeah,
starts
kill him
fucking
in the head.
gyrating.
Got him.
Gyrating?
Fucking just starts losing it. Fucking transforms into a fucking plane and flies out the window.
Do it. Get him.
Yeah, do it, pussy. You wouldn't.
Nice shot.
No, I don't want to.
Nice catch.
Want reload. There we go.
Nice catch. Nice.
Why'd you dub me in?
I'm sorry.
The sirens. They're coming.
Snitches get stitches, dude.
It's either that or they've come for my lolly.
You a lolly?
Yeah. My Allen snakes.
Don't cut the dinosaur, daddy.
Fuck you, little bitch! Dinosaurs fucking died ages ago.
Dad, that's a cool part of the life cycle. Learn it now!
Dinosaurs are about as real as your mother still being here.
Oh. Oh. What was that? What was that?
And if you don't shut the fuck up, daddy can make you disappear like he did with mommy.
How old is that ad? That's like 10 years old.
That was like, I remember being in Calabar, so I was like grade 2.
Yeah, no, that was ages
We were
ago.
like 6, 7, dude.
That fucking
But it went for years. That fucking ad.
Natural food company dinosaur ad.
Yeah, but that fucking ad played forever, dude.
Oh, fucking lovely. I've got a resistance member here who's a sniper. I've got 3 snipers on this team already.
Good.
Just sounds perfect.
Flawless. Why the fuck did you bring 2 of your own snipers then when it would give us a sniper and then...
I brought 3. Did you not? Open your ears.
Why'd you bring 3?
Why did you bring 3 snipers?
You're only allowed to bring
No.
3 people.
Because you have a shotgun. Aren't you only allowed to bring 4 dudes?
No, I extended the team.
Oh, I didn't think that was the thing.
You can extend it up to 6 people.
Oh, okay.
And you brought half the team as snipers.
yeah.
Because that was all we had. Because everyone kept.
Well,
getting
then why are
put into
you
the sniper
complaining
class.
if that's all you have?
How are you firing a pistol? You have a sniper rifle.
Because he moved. You can't fire a sniper rifle if he's moved. It's how. It's physics, Tyler. It's physics.
Fuck
Get
off!
it
You
right.
missed that shot with a shotgun. You fucking autist.
This doesn't make any sense.
What the fact?
Why
that
can't he fire the sniper rifle?
Because he moved. It's just basic. It makes sense. Okay, it makes perfect sense.
No, it doesn't.
It makes perfect.
He's a pussy who can't quickscope. He needs a whole round to steady the rifle.
Pretty much.
He can't just fucking 360 no scope quickscope a
Just
bitch.
fell off the container.
These alien. How does anyone lose to these aliens? They're dumb as bricks. What,
Like
he
that
just
one that
died.
killed itself.
He just killed himself.
This guy's.
I feel like this one's going to as well.
Please just climb the ladder and fall off. Oh no, he's going for whoever the fuck this is.
Oh, that's another sniper. Oh, wonderful.
Oh,
Guys, let's get more snipers on the crew.
sweet. I feel like
You
you could have
wouldn't,
just
pussy.
opened that gate. Oh no, he's going up to hit that guy. No,
Hold on, I'm still trying to
he
aim.
just fell off the building. What?
I've got to line this up.
Alright, we got Sex Lord here.
No,
No.
don't shoot him.
I have to ignore all those aliens behind
It's a
me.
52% chance.
What the fuck?
Look, he's too close to the sniper rifle. The sniper rifle's lost accuracy.
That's not how that works.
What do you mean that's not how that works? It's
No matter
totally how
what
that
gun
works.
it is, it gets
you missed.
more accurate
How?
the closer you are.
Sterling, how?
You missed.
It's because Frunley was trying to shoot a fly that was behind the alien, and he was using the alien as like a gun rest. He's using it as a bipod.
What the actual fuck is wrong with this game? That's not how you code a game. This is not...
No matter what gun it is, every gun gets more accurate the closer you are.
How does that work?
Because the bullets don't you have to... Good job.
Oh, shit.
You just fucking blew Frumley to hell, Dick.
No, I didn't even do any damage to him.
Oh, so what? You blew up in
I'm a literal sex god.
Okay, what? Did you dry hump the grenade?
I am a god.
Oh, good. Sterling just
You
spawned in
cannot
20
defeat.
fucking zombies right next to Frumley.
Trying to save Frimley's life.
Oh no, they're all just gonna beat up this other sniper guy.
Oh, shit.
He's fucking gangbanged. Fuck it, just make him throw a grenade
Why
at the
is everyone
floor.
else inside that building safe on the balcony while I'm down on the street next to the fucking bus and the other 20 zombies?
Because I moved
Because
you
we
there.
have too many snipers, so one of them has to be a foot soldier.
Yeah, we'll get rid of the fucking shithouse
Don't
ones.
throw a fucking... Don't do a headshot, what are you doing? Just... Oh, it's her. Okay, I thought you were doing that with the guy on the roof.
No one can aim.
So I was gonna say, that guy on the roof should just kill himself. He seriously should just chuck a grenade at the floor and fucking pray.
Oh.
Fucking pray the gay away.
Yeah. Oh, that... how the fuck can this chick shoot so much? What the fuck? What?
Where's this guy at? Don't.
So those have like 100% hit chance. But when I'm standing with my barrel touching the fucker's head, it's 52.
It's because you're too close
It's
to the guy.
52.
It's how it works. It's just it's how it works.
What the fuck is wrong with this
It's not
game?
how it should work.
This is not. It's not. It's no.
Is this
You don't have
real?
to- Yeah, okay, she's out
I'm
of
like
turns.
David at the dentist. Is this real life? Or is this just fantasy?
Caught in a landslide, no escape. Why? Oh! God damn it!
Mama! Didn't mean to make you cry, Seaman!
Okay,
Why the fuck my pee-pee hard?
okay, you guys didn't see that. This is what happened. I had my ah! Ow!
What the fuck?
That
Stop
hurt.
kicking him.
I had my ranger go out
Anyway.
and slash this guy.
Reinforcements, Tyler. You'll learn eventually.
I had my ranger go out and slash this guy, and the guy fucking blew up. Stop kicking me, Nick!
This isn't kicking.
What are you doing? Why are you vibrating your foot? Stop rubbing your foot on my neck.
Please stop eating my pants.
You that tired? You yawning again, or?
No, that's a Vine.
I don't watch
It's
Vines.
from a news reporter. And she's in like a petting zoo or whatever. And she's with a bunch of goats. And she's just like, anyway, this is a Kate Urgel from channel whatever news. And then the goat's like eating her pants. And so she's like, would you please kindly stop eating my pants? And the goat headbutts her in the knee. And she's like, oh!
It's fucking great. I'll show you after.
It's just like the fucking blueberry. Was it blueberry? The like lady who was crushing blueberries.
No,
there's
stomping
like-
grapes.
Something.
And there's like
See,
two
she was
of them.
stomping
Yeah,
grapes, and then she
yeah.
fell. And
Yeah. And they're like both crushing the blueberries, and then the other lady's like, "Okay, stop now, like stop." And then the other lady tries to get a head start and keep doing it, and she falls off, and she's like,
It's so... Did she like break her neck or something?
"You
Was
couldn't
it
make."
like grapes or something? Weren't they making wine or
They
whatever?
were. I think they were at a winery. Yeah. I think it was great.
It was great.
Fucking like you could have made any noise, and you made that.
It's like that. It's like that one. You know the one
Like
that the chick calls her, like her boyfriend or something, but she gets voicemail and she's like, "I just want to let you know that I love you, and I miss you."
Yeah, but people make the weirdest noises. Fuck, the biggest meme on the internet was just the fucking, I still love you. Although there was also the fucking news guy with the fucking chicken or whatever. where it's just like, this is the world's biggest chicken or whatever. I can't remember what the fuck it is.
No, there's some like chicken show.
It starts
Something.
flapping.
Yeah,
It's
but
just
he's
like,
sitting there with the,
"Ah!"
yeah, he's sitting there with the giant chicken and it starts flapping and he's like, "Ah!"
But the dumbest part is he drops it and then runs away screaming.
Yeah.
I don't understand it.
Or like this, the fucking news reporter with the bee or whatever. Have you seen that one?
Which one?
Real life Hank Hill. Oh, it's just some news reporter on a beach, and he's just like, blah 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 blah, and then a bee comes into frame and starts buzzing around him, and he's like, boo! And so people just took like that side by side with Hank Hill.
Oh, it's beautiful.
People make fucking the weirdest noises.
I love that one. Have you seen that? It's another. I don't know if it's a Vine or not, but it's just a little short. It's just a couple seconds. There's like this little kid. And there's like they're at this this family's at a barbecue or whatever, and this kid comes running around like the side of a pool, and the mom's just like, I don't know. She say his name's Billy. She's like, Billy, what do you have? And he's just like, a knife, and fucking runs up and like, why does he have a knife? This little kid's just running around with this fucking like switchblade. The kid's like 4.
There's the one where like, it's like a family at a restaurant, and it's got the camera on the kid, and he's got like a bottle of his dad's beer or some shit in front of him.
No, and he's sitting with his mum.
And yeah, he's sitting with his mum, who's like opposite the table to him. And like the first few seconds, it's like all peaceful, and then he grabs the beer and starts chugging it. And
Yeah.
the fucking woman is just like, "Little Billy, when we get home." Or like whatever. I can't remember. She says his full.
I'm whipping out the double belt
She
tonight.
she says his full name, whatever the fuck it is. And she's just
Yeah,
like,
because that's like the scariest thing any mother can say is your full name,
yeah.
middle included.
But she's just like, Freemasons, and when we get home, I'm gonna fucking get your dad and beat your ass again. And then the kid's just like, fuck you, this is why I drink.
Daddy ain't fucking me tonight.
Ooh.
No, he just turns to his mother and goes, motherfucker, I'm daddy, wait.
No, his mum said that.
Oh. Was it all run high?
Daddy's gonna come play Teddy Ruxpin with you instead.
Okay.
Gonna play hide the sausage.
Look, your dad still has one of his Cosby sweaters back from when he was in college. It still fits. Unlike the glove.
I mean, I don't get it. He couldn't do it.
Yeah, no, he
It
didn't.
didn't fit.
Your dad didn't rape you. The glove didn't fit.
It just didn't, okay? It makes sense.
His dad is O.J. Cosby.
So I just like the idea of... I more like the idea that Bill Cosby raped someone than, like, not. Just because it's funny to think about, like, oh, well, you get the vagina and the vagina. I love Bill Cosby. Wait, how did this person die? Who is this? Who are
Oh,
these
she's bleeding.
people?
Remember, I told you. So basically, she ran out with a sword, hit a guy with a flamethrower. Guy with a flamethrower exploded because he got hit with a sword.
Oh.
That doesn't make sense, but okay.
It was the most epic thing. She just like, oh,
Yeah, well, she fucking
right in her
died.
face.
None of that makes any sense, but let's go with it. I mean, this is a world of zombies and aliens, so who
And
gives a fuck?
anti-everything guns.
And apparently, you
Why is
miss
this one
when your
fucker on the
barrel's
other side
touching
of the
someone.
map?
So there's something fucked up about this world.
Is there still a zombie or? Guess not.
Also, yeah, actually, I bought a couple of jumpers the other day, and they just arrived. One arrived yesterday, the other two arrived the day before, whatever.
What about
One of them
the hoppers?
has like,
I was gonna make that joke.
it's like
but I didn't.
split into 4 on the front,
It's
and it's like
pathetic.
4 different colors and like squares. And my sister was like, "Oh my god, it looks like a Cosby sweater," and like ran around, and Mum was like, "Look, does this look like the sweater Cosby would wear?" And she really likes that I have a Cosby jumper now.
I don't even
It's
have...
made of suede and it's really, really soft.
I've never had a sweater.
I'm just like Bobby Fischer.
What?
I only have jumpers.
Yeah, it's
I know
just
you
a
don't have a sweater,
jumper.
but... Sorry, because you said, like, oh, it looks like a Cosby sweater, blah, blah. I never had a sweater. I only had jumpers.
Sweaters are comfy.
Yeah.
Wearing a
jumpers.
Cosby sweater. I think a sweater is just a sweatshirt, which I'm pretty sure is just one of those pullover jumpers without a hoodie or pockets. I don't know.
It's not a tracksuit.
Shit. Everything's a jumper to me. If it's fucking
Oh,
a thick thing you put on when it's cold, it's a jumper.
Alright.
Like I don't know, but I
Okay.
think that's what I think a sweater is just a sweatshirt. I don't know if they're different.
la 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 la.
Wearing that Cosby jumpy. Could you not eat my
I
pants?
mean, it's not like in Australia that it's a big common thing. I mean,
Lost
it's always
swarm
fucking hot.
appears.
I didn't even know what a doona was till I moved to Brisbane,
Really? Why?
because I was born in Townsville,
Yeah, I was gonna say
where it's like,
95 degrees.
sure,
And she died. She bled out.
no, it's
Oh,
like
lol.
normally, yeah, like 30
No.
degrees like, all the time.
The random person that
It's
I
way
didn't
too
know
hot.
or care about.
It rains warm water up there.
That
And-
sounds.
It's because God's given you a golden shower.
Oh, like it's so hot that up there the rain is warm. So we never needed a fucking doona. In winter you just have 2 sheets. And so when we came down to Brisbane, Mum had to buy doonas, and me and my sister didn't know what they were because we never fucking had one.
That's kind of amazing in a way.
Amazingly
Like,
stupid!
You grew up not knowing what it was because you lived in such a warm environment. Yeah, it's like to everyone else, it was such a natural thing.
Ow.
Didn't know your foot was there because it wasn't supposed to be there.
I am incredibly in pain.
What?
Sterling lightly bumped my foot.
I am incredibly in pain.
You heard me. I'm gonna fucking waggle your dick off.
Also, yeah, because like the rain there was also always warm. We used to always go and play in the rain, and there was nothing wrong with it because it was warm.
But were you
And we went to Canberra once because Dad was stationed in Canberra. We
fuck.
went to visit him. And it started raining while we were there. And we were like, "Oh, Mum, can we go play in the rain?" And Mum was like, "Yeah, sure, go for it." Middle of winter in Canberra, by the way.
Yeah.
We didn't think that water from the sky could be cold because it was always warm. And Mum didn't think anything of it either because she was too used to it as well. And let us go out, and we all ran out in the rain, and then fucking immediately sprinted back to the house because it was fucking freezing.
There's something wrong with the sky.
For anyone non-Australian, Townsville, where I'm from, is up north Queensland, where it's really hot and close to the equator 'cause it's top of Australia. Canberra, the capital city of Australia, is down south where it's really cold.
Way south.
Really south.
Firebrand. I would say a brand quote, but I don't know any.
Defeated. So did we lose or win?
No, we defeated them. You defeated the smoker pack.
So we won?
Yes, we won.
Okay,
The
so you
smoker
didn't suck
pack.
penis this time.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, he's still here playing
Well,
the
I mean,
game, so.
last time you tried this.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Everyone
Viglio
died.
Oh, check it!
erectional.
Look, she's just standing on air.
Someone is floating. She can fly. What the fuck?
It's because she's dead. She's a ghost.
Done. Continue.
Oh, we only killed 33 or 41.
Because the lost swarm appeared right as we were leaving. And
But Sterling, we have to eradicate the black. I'm not gonna finish that.
thank you for not finishing that, please. Just don't.
You're right. We should eradicate.
Down with whites. Down with whites.
What?
What? Communism for the win.
Down with whites. The Red Army shall rise. Oh, hi, Pillow. This is mine now, and I'm using it to clean up the bird crap.
Can I use it to sit on? Think about it.
Why?
Like when you use it when you're sleeping, it'll just be like shoving your face into my ass every night. It'll be great.
We did it!
But the question is, do you eat ass?
questioning the 3 sniper strat.
Yeah, and only one of them died. And the one who died wasn't a sniper. So this means we need more.
Snipers are clearly the most dependable.
Corporal Kostya Koshkovkasheki.
Wait, no, there's 4 snipers.
No, there's 3 and then 1 heavy.
Ah.
Who
No,
holds-
that's just a sniper with a minigun on it.
That's just 4 snipers in one.
Yeah.
Oh, we got oh, great! We got 2 sharpshooters. Yes, wonderful.
See? More
Perfect.
snipers. The game even wants us to.
Dr. Joff Williams. Corporal Dennis Touching Kids Bogar. April
Fucker.
Toucher. Fucker. April Toucher my dick.
How do I get this out of Steam and into my computer?
Mm. That was difficult. Trust me.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Maybe make it. Say
Um,
goodbye.
That is all the time that we have forever.